Have you ever walked outside after a rainstorm and noticed this gooey, translucent alien snot growing on your bushes? Congratulations, you've just discovered cedar apple rust, a fungus with one of the strangest life cycles in nature. And no, this tentacled, pulsating goo ball was not left behind by E.T. or Baby Yoda. It's actually a fairly common fungus native to our planet. Luckily, it doesn't usually cause much harm to established junipers and cedars, which is good news because it's almost impossible to prevent it unless you want to cut down every apple and crabapple tree for a few miles. That's right, the spores that cause this growth actually blew in off of apple trees. That's because this fungus requires two completely different host plants to complete its life cycle. Here's how it works. These orange gelatinous structures, called teleal horns, release microscopic spores into the wind during rainy weather. And these spores can travel for miles until they land on apple or crabapple leaves. Then later in the season, the fungus creates little tube-like growths under these leaves, which release different spores. Then those spores fly through the air to infect more junipers and become gelatinous goo next spring, and the cycle goes on and on and on. So if you're seeing this stuff on your shrubs, you're basically witnessing a giant invisible fungal relay race that's happening across your whole neighborhood. You'll commonly find these on junipers, eastern red cedar, and other related plants. And unless severe infection occurs year after year, they're usually more bizarre than dangerous. If the sight of them horrifies you, you can prune out these brown galls before spring rainy weather. But personally, I think they're kind of cool.